As a ladies, what we all want is to look and feel beautiful all the time, don't we? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 easy tips that will make you instantly feel and look beautiful from the inside out. Bonjour et bienvenue à Haute Couture Life, mesdames et messieurs. Je m'appelle Mana, enchantée. Now you might be wondering, Mana, why you suddenly speak French? Mastering fluent French is one of my goals for 2025, so I just wanted to record it as well. What is one of your goals for 2025? Please share it with me in the comment section. I would love to know. Okay, let's redo. Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to Haute Couture Life. I am Mana and on this channel, we learn how to be more beautiful, elegant and healthy from the inside out. If you love the topic of beautifying your life and enhancing yourself, please subscribe and let's create the most beautiful community together. Today, let's talk about how to beautify your life and yourself with ease and fun. If you love watching this kind of video, I am sure that what we all want is to always feel and look beautiful, elegant, sophisticated, luxurious, and gorgeous. By the end of this video, you will have a fun free sheet that will help you understand and establish more of yourself. So let's get started. This is a very powerful one. Even if you don't meet anyone all day, taking the time to groom and dress up for yourself makes such a difference in how you show up for yourself. Have you ever done your nails and you suddenly feel so elegant and intentional? Same with grooming and dressing up. You will instantly feel and look beautiful. This is power of Mother Nature. Flowers are beautiful gifts from the universe. As ladies, we love those big, beautiful bouquets, don't we? Just red roses, and even one rose makes me so happy and beautiful. Let's smell and it's so refreshing and feels so luxurious. What is your favorite flower? Leave it in the comments. How much do you actually know about when you feel and look your absolute best? What sounds, colors, smells, and tastes make you feel most alive? Whether it's the music you love, the colors light you up, or the scents that make you feel elegant. What is your favorite place where you shine the brightest? What we all want is to bring those essences into everyday life. I believe that to look and feel beautiful all the time, it's all about the details. Things that you use all the time, such as plates, utensils, glassware, and even skincare and dental products, you can upgrade to your favorites. I recently got this rosehip oil, and every time I use it, I feel so luxurious and beautiful. It's all about the details, so pay attention to them and let them help you feel and look beautiful. In today's fast-paced digital world, we are often in a rush. But to truly beautify your life, you must slow down and savor the present moment. What you need is to understand what you want to master in your life and vision, and just focus on that creation in real life. Your dreams and visions are the most important things to do in your life. So clean up all the areas and focus on that. Then your soul will uplift you and you will be so beautiful from the inside out. Our brain is naturally designed to look for negativity, but once you train your brain every day where to focus, it is so much easier to be a more beautiful and happier lady. I have a special video for cultivating goddess habits. You can watch it from here. Feeling gratitude always looks beautiful on you. In order to feel and look beautiful, it's very important to know what makes you feel and look beautiful. In this age, we often forget to really take the time to know ourselves deeply, but this is the most important thing you can do in your life. When you align with what you love and who you are, you will become more unstoppable and more beautiful than ever. As a special gift for today's video, I have prepared a worksheet to help you understand you and establish your own style. When you complete it, please share it with me. I am so excited to hear from you. If you enjoy this, don't forget to check out the best course on how to be your true self. This is the perfect course to discover and understand your true vision, mission, and purpose in your life. As a holiday gift, you can get a discount code. So if you're interested, please send me an email. You can have the cheaper option for this. What is your favorite way to look and feel beautiful? I hope you enjoyed today's video and worksheet. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Until next time, stay beautiful, gorgeous, happy, and healthy, and have a beautiful day, my goddess friend.